Alrighty, those are just our Pillsbury Christmas tree cookies. I also used some of the e.l.f. design, and we just placed these around our springform pan. And now I'm just gonna do a little bit of Pam on my hands and gently, gently push these down. As they are gonna bake together, but we want them to form a solid cookie crust that's gonna be super beautiful and fun for this easy holiday dessert. Alrighty, we're just gonna pop this in the oven for about 15 minutes and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, y'all, our cookie bowl is cooled completely. I'm coming in with my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. I'm just gonna do a little scoop of this, not too much because our bowl is not too thick here. Now you can always add some additional flavoring to this if you like, some peppermint pieces. That could be really fun. Do you like peppermint, Marty?
I do like peppermint, especially around the holidays.
Alrighty, now that we've got our cheesecake layer in, I'm coming in with just my dark chocolate melts, and I'm just gonna get these melted in the microwave. Alrighty, we're just gonna pour this right on top of this gorgeous cheesecake. This all out of my measuring cup here. All right, we're just gonna spread this out into an even layer here. Now I like the dark chocolate, it's my favorite. And this is going to harden back up and make like a delicious little crust on here. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this into my freezer for just a few minutes and I'll show you what we're gonna make to go on top. Alrighty, we're letting our cake harden. I'm just gonna get a little bit of these white chocolate, melting chocolates. I'm filling this up pretty full into this smaller measuring cup. And now I'm gonna get these melted for just about 30 seconds. Alrighty, now that this is melted, I'm gonna add a little bit of green food coloring. We're just gonna mix that in here with our white chocolate. Woo, this is gonna be so pretty and so cool, y'all. You're gonna definitely wanna do this little dessert trick for your holiday desserts. It's gonna really rock your world. Alrighty. Now I've got my waffle cone here and I'm just gonna begin using my green melting chocolate to just coat my waffle cone. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave all of this on there. I'm just gonna paint it on there ever so gently. Look at this beautiful technique. Isn't that gorgeous? Now at this point, I'm gonna bring in here my little tray. And I think even the brush strokes really add to the dimension of this. Now for this first one, I've got some of these really cool gold stars. On our second cone here, I'm gonna do a nice little layering of these Christmas themed sprinkles. For this one, we're gonna do some really fun silver glittery sprinkles. Gorgeous. Alrighty, everyone. Our cookie cake here is complete, almost. I'm just gonna grab my chocolate covered cones here and put some whipped cream. We're just gonna display these right on top here. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, look who came to visit. They absolutely love whipped cream monster. How do you know that sound? That's crazy. I'm gonna grab just a little touch of powdered sugar to complete the scene here. How pretty is this looking? Gorgeous. And now it's time for the big reveal. Perfect. Isn't that beautiful? What a gorgeous Christmas dessert. Y'all, we are not gonna bite into this right now because we're gonna be taking this to the Christmas party later. You've gotta try it.